Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is RICKYBABY. Welcome back to RICKYBABY Travel and Culinary Vlog. I am your chef captain for today in RICKYBABY RICKYBABY's kitchen. Today I'm cooking tri-tip, everyone. My tri-tip, I already added some ingredients here: the black pepper, salt, and additional Leah parents, and I saute it like that. Now I'm also cooking my mushrooms. Should be here. This is my complement with my tri-tip for tonight's dinner. Okay, my usual fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Of course, my usual ingredients here. This is my white wine, Sauvignon Blanc. If you don't have white wine, you can also use an alternative with dry vermouth. Okay, so I heated the oven up to 345 degrees, 350 degrees. So I already prepped the oven. So now we're gonna load my tri-tip, and in order to be juicy, okay, the secret to be juicy in your tri-tip, you have to cover it. Cover this tri-tip for 45 minutes. Okay, cover it for 45 minutes. Then let's load it into the oven. 45 minutes, and you can see here, can you focus it? 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's time it. Kitchen timer for 45 minutes. Start, and then while it's in there, so we're gonna start cooking my mushrooms. Okay, so let's cook my mushrooms, and let's monitor what's going on that tri-tip after 25 minutes. So we can reverse it. Then let it go for another 25 minutes, and then 5 minutes to broil it to get it burned on top, and then reverse it for 5 minutes to get it burned on top, and then the inside is juicy. Okay, so let's start cooking. My cookware is ready. You see the water? It start dancing. It means it's ready to go. So let's add my mushrooms because my water is start dancing like RICKYBABY's kitchen. RICKYBABY's kitchen. Okay, let's add my mushrooms here. Let's cook the mushrooms. RICKYBABY's kitchen. There. So cook it for a few minutes. La, 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 la. This is RICKYBABY, your chef and your chef captain of the RICKYBABY kitchen. I am the captain of my kitchen. It's called MB RICKYBABY kitchen. Okay, so now let's add a little bit of my oil here. Okay, I can smell it. The aroma of my mushrooms. Okay. So let's wait a little bit until the mushroom extract is juice there. Okay. See that? See that? If you focus a little bit, can you zoom a little bit? Okay. That's my mushroom juices. Now let's add the 2 tablespoons of my melted butter, and then the fresh garlic. Oh, guys, if you try this, and then we're gonna going to check my tri-tip. This with the tri-tip, perfect. Let's remove our cooked mushrooms. Here we go. See that? This watery juice of the mushroom. My wife will make a gravy for the mashed potato. Baby's kitchen. You see that? I smell the garlic, the fresh garlic, the aroma of it. Mwah! Okay, my wife is making her homemade recipe for gravy. This is her own recipe. She added 1 drop of flour. She's making gravy out of the mushroom juice that we extract from our cooking. There we go. Baby's kitchen. I'm wearing the captain hat because I'm the chef captain of my own kitchen. Ricky Baby's kitchen. Let's do some cooking. You do the watching, and you can watch also our video. You can follow. Cooking. She's making a recipe of her own homemade gravy for Ricky Baby. Gravy. What's that? Garlic, flour, olive oil, and soy sauce. So that's her homemade recipe, okay? So we're gonna put, she already made her mashed potato. Cook it separately. Okay, there we go. Here's our small gravy for our mashed potato. Good for Ricky Baby. Time's up. Ricky Baby's kitchen. Look at that. It's so juicy. See that? Okay. So let me reverse it. It's so juicy. Look at that. See that? The juice right there. So I'm gonna broil this. Let's broil this for 5 minutes to get burned here in top until juicy inside. Okay? 5 minutes. And then 5 minutes on each side. See? Roll high. Start. Kitchen timer. 5 minutes. Okay, then after 5 minutes, let's reverse to the other side. And let's do the eating in Ricky Baby's kitchen. Your captain. Okay, let's go check our oven. It's beeping. It means in 5 minutes it's over. You see that, man? Ooh. You see that? Woo! Look at this part. Look at this. This is gonna be good. Let's reverse for 5 more minutes, and we're good to go. Woo! Ricky Baby's kitchen. Ricky Baby's kitchen. I am the one cooking. You are watching. Okay. Okay, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. See, 5 minutes, and we're good to go. Okay. Kitchen timer. 5 minutes. Start. Okay. This is your captain, Ricky Baby's kitchen. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, time is up. It's beeping. Woo! Look at this. Eee. Ooh. Ah. Right? Ooh. So, let's see. My wife, she likes well done on the side. Ooh, look at that. Here. Yeah, well done. Look at inside here. It's medium well. See that? Pink inside. This is called medium well. Okay? On the side here, which is my wife's favorite, and is well done. Yeah, well done. A well done tri-tip. And for me, of course, I love this right here, medium well. Medium well. One more slice. And perfect with Cabernet red wine. Cabernet Sauvignon. Here. Okay. Here. Okay. Hold on. Got it. Here. Okay. Now we're gonna open up mashed potato. Mashed potato. Ooh, my loves cooking mashed potatoes. They're gonna be good. Here. Then put it here inside it. A little bit of my string beans. This is your captain, Ricky Baby's kitchen. String beans. Okay. Of course, the mushrooms. I'm gonna invite my son to come and join, but she don't want to join in the camera. So, okay. Now, let's try the cooking. I'll do the tri-tip first. Okay. Perfect. Then the mashed potato. My wife homemade potato with mushrooms and the string beans. Of course, perfect pairing is the Cabernet Sauvignon red wine. Guys, I should continue eating, and this is the fruits that my wife prepared. So after we eat our dinner, this is our dessert to have a good fruit to balance our diet. Okay guys, thank you for watching again. This is your chef captain, RICKYBABY. And don't forget to subscribe. Go to my channel, RICKYBABY Travel and Culinary Vlog. But before I get out, I have a dance for you. RICKYBABY's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. I'll do the cooking, you do the watching, I do the eating. Bye bye. I'll see you soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.